Hi everyone, today I am going to show you fall sensory bins that are very easy to put together. In this first bin, I have used red beans and macaroni to make it colorful according to the seasonal theme. Then I am adding mini pine cones of different sizes so that kids can also sort them according to the size. Then I add some fake fall leaves and a basket to put pines in it. I added small pieces of soft textured yarn for weaving around the pine cones. This is a fabulous way of developing fine motor skills. Let your children experiment wrapping and weaving around the pine cone. Children get to practice using both hands together, grasping and using a pincer grip. They can manipulate different materials in lots of different ways, building their muscle strength and developing their hand-eye coordination. A fall sensory bin is the perfect way for children to explore the fall season. This autumn sensory bin is easy to create using items you may already have around your house. The first step is to take any kind of container you have and fill it up with corn. Then add different fall items. Here I have fall tree and felt fall leaves. You can also add fake leaves. This sensory bin has a plenty of different textures to explore and a variety of colors. It's a wonderful tactile experience for little hands. Also add some popsicle sticks for extra color and fun. Add just a few materials, like some scooping tools from the kitchen. Here I used mini garden tools. By adding scoops and spoons, you'll be encouraging lots of fine motor development too.